Good morning, 8th grade. Welcome to week 10 of remote learning. It's May 18th. It's Monday. Happy Monday. We have 2 weeks really of academic time left. The finish line is in sight. Our last week together will kind of be a wrap-up week, and you'll graduate that week. So 2 more weeks of academics, and I've kind of bundled it all into really one lesson. So this page is for just this week, but next week will look very, very similar. What's going to happen is you have a two-part project kind of going on. The first part is a menu project, which I will get into in a moment, that looks at the ways humans impact the earth. And we're going to compare that to the way Earth impacts itself. And that's what we've been learning about the last few weeks was, earthquakes, volcanoes, tectonic activities, subduction zone, mid-ocean ridges. The Earth impacts itself constantly. It's a slow process, but it is constant. And then we impact the planet. And we kind of want to look at what's more destructive, what's worse. So to get started, I've created a slideshow, and that slideshow you will return to every single day. That human impacts intro slideshow has some activities in it day to day that you will fill out. There's one resource and one post per day. And in the very beginning of that slideshow, it describes the long-term project that you will work on for the rest of your science time each day. So the slideshow should not eat up your whole science block of time. And the rest of your block of time will be used to work slowly but surely on a long-term project, which I will show you in just a moment. That project, let me minimize here, looks like this if you open up the link in the assignment. And I know it's upside down because I scanned it upside down. So watch what I do to flip it around. You right-click and rotate it clockwise, and bam, now you can see it right side up. So to complete this project, human interactions with the environment, aka how we impact the earth, you need to choose from this menu. It's a menu project. Pick 2 activities. They must total 100 points. If you choose 2 and they total over 100 points, that's fine. So if you decide to do both 80-point ones, or if you decide to do 3 and total over 100, that's fine too. Decide what you're going to do. I'm not going to read this to you. You can read through this, decide which ones you want to do, and make a plan. How are you going to accomplish that over the next 2 weeks? When do you want each one done? Okay. There is an option for a 50-pointer free choice, and it just says prepare a proposal form. I don't have a proposal form, but if you just email me for approval, I will look at your idea and let you know if that's a go. If you have any questions about any of these or how to do them, or if you need a description more detailed of any of these, just email me or put it on the frequently asked questions slide in the slideshow. If you'd like to know how I'm going to score it, you can open up the rubric. Again, I think the rubric looked like this when you opened it. Just make sure you flip it sideways, and you're shooting for excellent, full points, all these marks. So you're going to look at all the C's: content, complete, creative, correct, communication. You want to get all of this circled by me. So make sure you take a look at this, grade yourself before you turn it in. And if you didn't give yourself full points for anything, go back and fix. Okay. I want to go back to this. So each day you'll see you have a post to do in the slideshow, and then work day. And I've labeled each post which day it is and the date. You'll notice that next week's posts aren't there yet, but I might start adding them throughout the week as I find new resources that I want to share with you. You don't start it until you don't need to start it until that day. If you want to get ahead, you may, but know that no one else will be commenting on those at that time. Look at all of you on here right now. Hi, guys. Again, if you have questions, let me know. Tomorrow, I would like to Zoom with you all. I sent out the lyrics for your song. I haven't told anybody but Mr. Chase. It's like a huge surprise. I have a meeting with Mr. Bounds, and I bet he's going to hound me about it. But the sooner you can get your little clip in, the better. And again, if you read through that lyrics thing, like if you guys want to send in like silly dance clips to the song, like Mr. Chase will find a way to edit and add those things in. I did ask band members to do the instrumental, but like you don't really need to play, like fake play, make it silly, wear sunglasses, wear a hat, have fun with it. This is something you guys are going to have forever. So all those lip sync battles that we did that you never get to kind of look back on, now you have one that you get to have forever. So please look at that. Make sure you get your videos in. Those of you with speeches, I've started to see those trickle in. Thank you so much. Keep those coming. Zoom tomorrow, first thing in the morning, 10 a.m. Be there, be square. I actually want you all there, so you need to be there. Okay. All right. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you tomorrow.